Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to click on Lock Orientation icon. And as you can see, now it's blue. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it on, you need to click on the same icon until it turns gray. You can also though go into device settings, choose display over here, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is off, but you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!